The dashboard is your main control screen. Before testing, make sure no other BACnet tool, like YABE or BAC0, is using port 47808. Click Start BBMD to begin. Status changes to running and counters start updating. You can see listening, IP and UDP port, network details, foreign device and peer counts, packet, broadcast, registration, and error counters. Click Stop BBMD when you are done. This frees the UDP port. If startup fails because the port is busy, use Next Free Port or change the port in Settings. Your BBMD is now up and running. In the next video, we'll look at the foreign device table and learn how remote BACnet devices register with the BBMD, how to manage them, and how to troubleshoot registration issues.